May is the most important planting month of the year, and most gardeners waste it by planting the wrong things at the wrong time. Stay right here because I'll show you exactly what to plant this May, no matter where you live. May is for momentum. Don't waste this planting window. May is the most important planting month of the year, and most gardeners waste it by planting the wrong things at the wrong time. Stay right here because I'll show you exactly what to plant this May, no matter where you live. There's this incredible energy that builds up all spring, a feeling of anticipation as the world wakes up. When May finally arrives, it's like the starting gun for the garden. The soil has been resting, and now it's warm and crumbly and ready to get to work. I love this month because it's all about momentum. The decisions you make and the seeds you sow right now will set the rhythm for your entire summer harvest, creating a season filled with fresh flavors and beautiful homegrown food for your family's table. This is the month when the garden truly comes alive with promise. If you've been dreaming of vine-ripened tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, armfuls of fresh basil, May is when those dreams take root. But there's a little bit of a science to it, a gentle dance with Mother Nature. It's not just about tossing seeds in the ground and hoping for the best. It's about understanding your specific climate and timing your plantings to give every single seed and seedling its best possible start. We're going to walk through it together, region by region, so you can feel confident that you're not just gardening, but you're gardening smart. This is about building a foundation for abundance. The biggest mistake I see well-meaning gardeners make is getting a little too eager. They hear May and think it's a free-for-all for every summer vegetable. But the secret to success is patience and observation. Is your soil truly warm enough? A simple soil thermometer is one of the best tools you can own. For most of our favorite summer crops like tomatoes, peppers, squash, that soil needs to be holding steady heat, ideally around 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Planting too early into cold, damp ground can stress the plants, stunt their growth, or even cause them to fail entirely. So, let's take a deep breath, look at our specific regions, and make a plan that works with the weather, not against it. Our goal is to create a garden that feels less like a chore and more like a joyful extension of our home. For my friends on the East Coast, New York, Carolinas, and for everyone across the Great Midwest, May is a tale of two halves. The first part of the month is all about watching the calendar and respecting that all-important last frost date. For many in zones 5 and 6, that magic date often falls around Mother's Day. In early May, while there's still a nip in the air, you can continue to direct sow cool season crops. Think about another round of beets, carrots, and even some hardy lettuces. You can also get cabbage seedlings into the ground. Once you're safely past that final frost, the floodgates open. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Around mid-May, it's prime time to transplant those warm weather heroes. Gently harden off your tomato seedlings for about a week, giving them a little more time outdoors each day to acclimate to the sun and wind. And harden off your pepper seedlings. Then, get them in the ground. I love to transplant the new Bada Bing cherry tomato, compact and great for pots. At the same time you're transplanting, direct sow your corn, beans, cucumbers, and summer squash. These seeds will germinate quickly in the warming soil and take off with vigor. In the upper Midwest, where the growing season can feel a bit shorter, every day in May counts. To get a jump start, many gardeners in zones 4 and 5 use simple tricks to warm the soil. Laying black plastic mulch over your beds a week or two before planting can raise the soil temperature by several degrees, creating a cozier home for heat lovers like melons and peppers. When you plant, install your supports at the same time. Setting up tomato cages or bean trellises now prevents you from accidentally damaging the delicate root systems later on. It's a small step that makes a big difference in keeping your plants happy and productive from the start. Don't forget to invite some beauty and function into your beds. While you're planting your vegetables, tuck in some annual flowers like marigolds and sunflowers along the edges. Not only do they add a beautiful pop of color, but they are also workhorses, attracting bees and other pollinators. These beneficial insects are crucial for ensuring your squash, cucumbers, and tomato plants produce a heavy crop of fruit. It's a simple way to create a healthier, more balanced ecosystem right in your backyard, making your garden as beautiful as it is bountiful. Down south, in those wonderful warm zones from 7 through 10, May isn't the beginning of the planting season. It's the heart of it. The soil is already warm, the sun is shining, and the garden is ready to explode with growth. By early May, you should feel confident planting almost all of your favorite summer vegetables: tomato transplants, pepper transplants, eggplant transplants. They will thrive in the heat that is already building. Try Treviso basil this year, a new 2026 variety bred to handle summer heat. Keep making pesto long after other basils have given up. Succession sowing is one of the best strategies in the South. Don't plant all your beans or cucumbers at once. Sow a new row every 2 weeks through May and into June. Succession sowing staggers your harvest and keeps produce coming. Bush beans, summer squash, cucumbers. Plant heat lovers now, okra. Plant heat lovers now, sweet potatoes. The biggest challenge in May is managing intense heat and moisture. Mulching isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Apply a generous 2 to 4 inch layer of organic mulch, straw mulch, shredded leaves. Mulch acts like a protective blanket, preventing soil crusting. It conserves moisture, cutting evaporation by up to 70%. It keeps soil temperatures more moderate for roots. Finally, a southern staple: southern peas, black-eyed peas, cream peas, Crowder peas. These aren't your typical garden peas. Plant southern peas late May through early July for reliable summer production. The West Coast is a gardener's paradise. It's a region of incredible diversity. Microclimates can change dramatically in just a few miles. From the cool, foggy coast of Northern California, to sun-drenched inland valleys, to the desert heat of the South, what you plant in May depends entirely on where your garden is located. For coastal areas like San Francisco, where May can still bring cool nights and morning fog, you can still plant cool season crops like lettuce, spinach, broccoli. Ideal climate for the new 2026 Bada Bing cherry tomato. In warmer inland valleys in Southern California, May is prime time for heat lovers: tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, melons. When planting transplants, give them a good start. Use a balanced fertilizer, or one lower in nitrogen and higher in phosphorus, potassium. California summers are perfect for eggplants. They crave full sun and deep, infrequent watering. For a standout tomato, try the new Unity beefsteak. Water is a precious resource on the West Coast. Gardening wisely is key. Mulching helps lock moisture into the soil. Drip irrigation, soaker hoses, overhead sprinklers deliver water differently. Drip to the roots, sprinklers spray and lose more to evaporation. They keep foliage dry, reducing fungal disease risk, especially with high humidity or morning dew. These water-wise techniques lead to healthier plants and a more sustainable garden. Small spaces and container gardening are on the rise. Many 2026 varieties are perfect for patios and balconies. Compact dwarf tomatoes, bush-style cucumbers, high-yield peppers. Create a snack garden in a few pots with cherry tomatoes, mini cucumbers, sugar snap peas. Anyone can enjoy growing their own food, even without a large plot. Choose the right plant for the right place. Embrace the unique climate your garden calls home. Now that we've journeyed across the country, let's bring it all home with a few simple, powerful tips that will help your garden thrive, no matter your zip code. First and foremost is the practice of hardening off. Your seedlings, whether you grew them from seed or bought them from a nursery, have been living a sheltered life. You can't just move them from the windowsill to the garden. To prevent shock, acclimate them gradually. Start by placing them outside in a protected spot for a few hours a day. Slowly increase sun and wind exposure over a week. This toughens them up for the great outdoors. Next, let's talk about pests. As the weather warms, pest pressure increases. Be observant. Walk your garden every day or two and really look. Check the undersides of leaves for spider mites. Look for a stippled leaf surface or clusters of aphids. If you catch them early, Solutions can be simple. A strong blast of water from the hose can dislodge many pests. Prune heavily infested leaves. Keep plants consistently watered, because a healthy, well-watered plant is your best defense. Thinking ahead marks a seasoned gardener. It's not too early to plan for fall. Many long-season crops need planting now to mature before frost. If you want pumpkins in October, sow seeds in late May or early June. These crops often take 90–120 days. Plan on the calendar. This forward thinking keeps your garden productive from summer into autumn. Finally, gardening is a journey, not a destination. There will be successes and lessons. The soil will teach you what it needs. The plants will show if they're happy. Give them good soil, steady water, and a protective layer of mulch. Build momentum this May by planting the right things at the right time for your region. Lean into the season's rhythm and you'll create a space that feeds your body and nourishes your soul. This is your garden. Possibilities are endless. What are you planting in May? I would love to hear about your plans in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more month-by-month garden guides.